It's 5 a.m. and it's bring your pet to class today. Are you excited for today, Coco? Okay. Everyone's bringing their dogs and their cats, and I'm bringing my bird. Where are you going? Where? Also, I brought the dog home. He was scared of it. Oh my gosh. I felt bad, so we returned it. I did not feel bad. I don't think anyone's bringing a bird to class. The goal today is to not be scared, okay? Don't step on the hair. Don't step. Take it. Okay, fine. Also, I said happy Ramadan last time, and I guess that's wrong. It's Ramadan Mubarak. Coco! Stop, Coco. He stepped on my hair. I'm gonna replace you with a dog. Ow! Okay, I'm sorry. Let's go.